purchase, you bought that smartphone. The phone was awesome, strong, and fast. But after using it for a few months or years, the phone just became slow and laggy. If your device suffers from this syndrome, then I have your remedy. Today, I'm going to be showing you some ways you can speed up your Android device. If you are new, like, share, subscribe, and let's get right into it. A simple restart could be the solution to your problems. If your device is slow, restart it, especially if your device has been on for a long period of time, like a week. Whenever you're not using stuff like mobile data, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, just turn them off. These things slow down your phone often, so if you're not using them, don't leave them on, turn them off. If you open too many apps, it could slow down your phone a lot. So just clear the recent apps you opened. You can do so by clicking on the recent app switcher. It might vary on your device. Then clear all or just swipe them away one after the other. If your home screen is messy or filled with widgets, it could be one of the causes. These widgets have to refresh almost every time you open your home screen and give you the most recent information, so they usually use up a lot of resources. Just get rid of all the widgets and tidy up your home screen. Don't put too many apps or widgets there. If possible, get rid of all the widgets. Don't even put anyone at all. Popular apps like Facebook, YouTube, Google Maps, and even TikTok have lighter versions. However, these versions are not available in every region or country. But if they are available in your country or region, install and download them, because these lighter versions, they do almost exactly the same thing as the original. You can also install a lighter browser, because most browsers use up a lot of resources and they could slow your phone down. Try another lighter browser. The next thing I need you to do is to stop lying to yourself. Your lies could be the reason why your phone is slowing down. Those apps you know you will never use, get rid of them. Don't hesitate. Please don't pretend like you will use them again. Just get rid of them. Depending on your manufacturer, some apps come pre-installed in your device and you can't uninstall most of them. These apps are called bloatware. However, you can disable them, and after you do so, they will leave your home screen, so you are good to go. The launcher of your device could be another culprit eating up your RAM. If your launcher is laggy and slow, you can install a different launcher, but make sure you install a lighter launcher. I did a video about launchers. I will link that in the description below. Changing your launcher could improve your device performance. If your device is suffering from the sluggish syndrome, using a live or video wallpaper would make it worse. Use simple or static, even plain wallpapers. I also did a video about offline wallpaper apps, so definitely check that out in the description section. If your device is running slow, you might want to reduce or get rid of all those animations. It could make things faster. First of all, go to settings and look for about section in your phone. It's usually at the bottom side of the settings. It may vary in your device anyway. Click on the build number 7 times until it tells you you are now a developer. If your developer option is already enabled, then click on it. If you can't find it, search for it in the search bar or do some treasure hunt and look for it. Once you find it, scroll down until you see window animation scale. Then you can reduce it or turn it off completely. It would make your device snappier. Still in developer options, scroll to around the bottom section where you will see background processes. Then choose the number of processes. I recommend changing it to 2 or 3 because we usually don't use more than 2 or 3 apps at a time. At least that's what I do. Please don't go to Play Store and download a tax killer or tax manager app. Android has excellent tax management performance. Like they say, two captains can't control one ship, so adding these apps could just eat more of your memory, and some of these apps do little to nothing. Most of them still come with ads. For your own good, please don't install any of them. Don't be deceived by battery savers either. They are both partners in crimes. Avoid installing apps like these ones. An update could be the solution to your problems. If you've never updated your phone before or haven't recently updated it, then go ahead and update it. You can access it by going to the About Phone section and clicking on System Update, or you can just search for it in the search bar in the settings. If you have an update, install it. If not, well, just keep waiting. If nothing has worked and your device is still very slow, then the last option is to pull the trigger. Factory reset your device, as it will restore it to the original state as it was when you bought it. Make sure you back up all your important stuff before you do so. Those are the tips I have for you to make your Android device faster. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends, because you could help someone with this sluggish phone syndrome. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you soon.